everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to jump in Call of Duty Mobile. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to jump on Call of Duty Mobile, then all you need to do is to press on this little jump button, which should appear right next to your bullet icon, and it'll help you jump in Call of Duty Mobile. That is how you can easily jump in Call of Duty Mobile with a simple click of a button. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.